Hi Gary, this is Byron with First Class Marketing here. Spoke with Lisa the other day on a short video that I have for you with tips and tricks on improving your website and your Google profile. These tips and tricks can be used in the house as well, and it can be used to drive more revenue and more traffic to your website. And as you take a look here, you do see I do have your website pulled up here. The first thing I notice is that you have a requested quote. You have a clickable phone number here, and you have your email address right here listed in the front. That's clickable as well. Those are great for quick conversions for customers. And as I scroll through your website here, you have some great pictures and you have some content. Now, Google likes to see about 15 to 2,000 words, depending on the competition and the keywords on any homepage as well. Now, keywords are basically anything that anyone types into Google looking for a specific product or service. And Google loves information. So within your content, you want to strategically place those keywords so that way your website will be found on your terms through Google. And then also your pictures can be saved as keywords as well. So I highly suggest doing that also. Now this tool here is what we call Ahrefs. This gives a basic analytical breakdown on your website and how much traffic is going there. And one thing that we look at here is the UR and the DR. The UR represents how much power your website has, and the DR represents how much trust does Google have within your website. Now, with these numbers, you definitely want to be about 30 to 40. So utilizing these tricks and tips will actually increase those numbers for you. I do show you have about 4,000 backlinks, about 198 referring domains with about 89 keywords. So in all, it's giving you about 107 clicks to your website per month. Now, backlinks are any other website that is referring back to your website via clickable text or hyperlinks as well. So you definitely want to make sure that you grab backlinks that are related to your niche, and not all backlinks are created equal. Some can be spammy and others can be authoritative. So you want to go after the authoritative backlinks, and that is going to drive that power up to your website. And let's take a look at your keywords here. Now with the keywords, you definitely want to use buyer intent keywords. Also, that is within the local area that you provide the service in. So as we take a look here, you have 21st century painting, century roofing, Austin house painting, roofer painter near me. Let's see what else you have here. Roofing and painting. Those are more so national keywords. So again, you definitely want to stick to the local keywords and the service areas that you provide. So you have some good keywords here. Just a little bit more local keywords will actually drive up the power to your website. And in comparison here, I looked up roofer in Austin, Texas, and these are the results that we have. So what we have here is what they call the map pack section here. And as we scroll down, this is the organic listing. So ultimately, you want to aim to be within this map pack section here, because 30 to 40% of your business or your traffic is going to actually come from this section right here, whether it's people calling into your business directly or customers that are clicking onto your website. And a few tips on getting listed on this map pack section here is that you definitely want to have a Google profile set up. And also with that profile, you want to make sure that you are getting consistent good reviews. And with those reviews, you want to make sure that you are responding to those reviews. A lot of companies don't know to respond, or they just don't respond at all. So you definitely want to make sure you do that. And then also, this section here is what we call the About Me section for the business. That has about 750 characters. So you want to make sure that that is filled out completely. And also, you want to throw in keywords with that as well. And you want to upload about maybe 100 pictures or so, or as many as you can, because those, along with the About Me section, that is going to pretty much raise your position within the map pack section. Another thing is that you want to make sure that your business name, address, phone number, and your hours are listed the exact same across different platforms, whether it's LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, etc. Another thing is what we call citations. Citations are basically your address, your business address, name, phone number, and the hours also that are listed per your Google profile. You want to make sure all of those are the same across the board, because those are going to get you listed in different directories such as the Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, and thousands more. And those are the citations. Just looking at the competition here that I pulled up, Longhorn Roofing in Austin. As you can see, they have a pretty good laid out website. They have a click to schedule an estimate. They have the phone number listed right there for customers to see. They have some pictures as well. Looks like they have a lot of content also. So as we plug them into the tool that we use, which is the Ahrefs, and taking a look here, their DR is at about a 14, which is the trustable Google, and their power is at about an 18. So there are some opportunities for them also. And they have about 819 backlinks and about 75 referring domains. And again, not all backlinks are created equal. So you have the keywords that are about 245, and they're getting about 1,700 clicks per month on their website. So there is a lot of opportunity there for you. And you can also use these keywords on your website as well. Just taking a look at a few that they use. They have roofing contractor Austin, Austin, Texas roofing companies, Austin roof repair, roofing companies Austin, Austin roofer, roofing contractor Austin TX for Texas. As you can see, they have quite a few keywords listed here. And again, you can actually use the same keywords on your website also. I hope this video was very informative and helpful. I actually do this for a living. So if you have any other questions or concerns or anything that I can maybe help with, my information will be listed in the email, and you can give me a call at any time. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.